regular chicken curry. And I can already guarantee that once you try this, you will be making it. This is the famous Hyderabadi Shadi Wala red chicken, and I've made this twice in the past 3 days because it was such a hit at home. I know this dish looks like it involves a lot of effort, but trust me, it's a lot easier than what you think. The only challenging bit about this dish is that you have to have a little bit of patience, but it will be worth it. Start by making some cashews, almonds, and some dry coconut powder or saturated coconut along with some water. Add this into a bowl along with some curd, ginger garlic paste, split green chilies, brown onions which you can make in the microwave or air fryer, coriander and mint leaves, some dark soy sauce, red chili sauce and green chili sauce, lemon juice, turmeric powder, lots of Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, pepper and mix this really well until you get the marinade. Use this to marinate some bone-in chicken. Marinate this for at least 1 to 2 hours, but if you are able to leave it overnight, then nothing like it. Now heat some oil in a pan, add a few curry leaves, and into this add in the marinated chicken. Now the only thing left for you to do is to wait for this chicken to cook. Cover and cook on a low to medium flame for about 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure to lift the lid and stir this occasionally so that it doesn't burn. Cook it until the gravy thickens and the oil begins to separate like this. Finish it off with a drizzle of fresh cream, some chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. Serve it up with some soft rotis and just enjoy.